Hello everybody and welcome back to the Walro & Co channel. Now today I've got another maths video for you. Now today's maths video is focusing on writing numbers again. Now in a previous video we focused on writing the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And today we're going to do some other numbers and we're going to start with this number on my screen here. What number's this? This is the number 5. Now, just like our other video, we're going to practice with our Peter pointers and then we're going to practice writing on a piece of paper with a pen or on a whiteboard. So, the important thing with number 5 when we're writing, we've got to pretend like there's a flag on top of our number. So, we take our Peter pointer and we start here. And the rhyme goes, we go down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. So we don't start here with this top bit. We start at the top, but we come down. So we go down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Let's take our Peter pointers, do it one more time. Down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. That's a brilliant rhyme, and well done for joining in. Now, we're going to have a go writing on our whiteboards or on our pieces of paper or whatever you are writing on today. And I'll show you what it looks like. Because to start with, we go down and around. So it looks a bit like that. The first step. That's a bit weird, isn't it? But then when we put our flag on high, that's the way we make a 5. So let's have another go. Down and around with a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Let's try again. Down and around with a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. So I've written 1, 2, 3 number 5s on my board. I wonder if you could do the same at home. You might like to pause the video and have a go at writing 3 number 5s. And then, when you've done that, we're going to move on to our next number. And that number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7? No. 1? No. It's 6. So we need to practice writing the number 6. Okay. Oh, this is a good one. It's one of my favourites. So, you start at the top and the rhyme goes like this. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Let's try that again. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Try that yourself with your Peter pointers. Follow the road that goes round. So we're going to go down we go and make a loop. That number 6 makes a hoop. Brilliant. See you can do a really big one in the air for me. Do a really big one. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Fantastic. Now that we've practiced our Peter pointers and we know the rhyme, we're going to practice writing on our whiteboards or on our pieces of paper. So, join in with me. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. That's okay. Do you think we can do better than that? Yeah, I think we can do better than that. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. We'll try one more down here. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Mine are a bit wonky. They're okay, but I think you at home could do a lot better than that, don't you? Why don't you pause the video and have a go at writing 3 number 6s yourself? And I'm sure yours will be much better than mine, and I'd love to see them. So, we've done 5 and 6 today, but what's next? 5, 6, 7. We've got to practice writing the number 7. And this is how our rhyme goes for this. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Let's take off Peter pointers again. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Well done. Try one more with our Peter pointers. Follow along on your screens. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Do a big one in the air for me. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. You know what time it is? We've practiced with our Peter pointers. We know the rhyme. It's time to practice writing on our whiteboards and on our pieces of paper. Okay. So we go across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Hang on a minute. Does that look like a 7 to you? No, I don't think I've done that right, have I? Silly sausage. So I go like that? But I went across the sky and down from heaven. That's the what? No, I'm not happy. Should we have a look at it again? Because I wrote mine like this. Does that look like the one I've got on my screen? I don't think it does. This one we go that way, don't we? We go from left to right, so we go across the sky and down from heaven. I didn't do that, did I? So we try again. Let's try and get it right this time. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. That's much better, isn't it? But I still think we can do better. Across the sky, down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. One more time. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Brilliant job. You might like to pause the video now and see if you can write 3 number 7s. We're doing really well. I'm really impressed with how hard we're all working. But it's time for another number. So we've done 5, we've done 6, we've done 7. What's next? 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this looks like a difficult one. Now some of you might write your number 8s like this. Okay. Which does look like a number 8, but that's not the best way to draw it, because you just draw, what shape is that? It's like you've drawn 2 circles on top of each other, and you put them next to each other, and then it makes an 8. Now it does look a bit like an 8, but we can do it a much better way. And with this rhyme, we will learn that way. So it's important that we start here. And all we do is start with, we write the letter S, the sound, sliver down the snake. So we sliver down the snake, and we do not stop until we have an 8. So the rhyme we're going to say is make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. It's a bit of a tricky one. We can do this. We're going to work really hard. I want to see some persevering parrots out there. So, let's take our Peter pointer. Make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. So let's see how that looks when I write on my whiteboard. So we make an S. Do not wait. When joined up, you have an 8. That's a good start. I still think I can practice to make mine better. Let's try another one. Make an S. Do not wait. When joined up, you have an 8. Is that one a little bit better? It's not bad. Let's try another one. Make an S. Do not wait. When joined up, you have an 8. I think that's my best one yet. What do you think? I think you're right, but I also think that you can do much better than I have. So maybe you'd like to pause the video and have a go at writing 3 of our number 8 using our rhyme. Now remember, the rhyme is make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. Okay, so we have done 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do one more number today, which is the number after 8. Can you remember what that is? Let's start from the beginning. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're right, it's 9. Let's see how we're going to practice writing the number 9. Okay, here's our number 9. This is what it looks like. And the rhyme goes like this. Make a loop, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Now, where do I start? Because I need to make my loop first, then my line. It's very important we don't get this wrong, man. If you do your line first, then your loop, that is not the way we practice here. So, we need to make a loop, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. So, ready with our Peter pointers? We're not ready for the pens yet. Mr. Walcott's getting a little bit excited. Needs to calm down and practice with his Peter pointer first. So we need to make a loop, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. I think I'm getting the hang of this now. Should we try it one more time with our Peter pointers? Make a loop, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Brilliant. And our last number of today. It's time to get our whiteboards and our pens out and our pieces of paper. And we are going to make a loop, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Let's try it one more time. Remember, look how I'm holding my pen. Pincers, pick it up and then use my middle finger to balance just underneath. So you've got like 3 fingers helping you to support that pen. Make a loop, then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Try it one more time. Make a loop, then a 9. That's the way we make a 9. Good job. I'm going to rub them out. Using my special pen, they're going to disappear. And that is us finished for today. We have practiced writing the number 5, the number 6, the number 7, the number 8, and we've just finished on the number 9. And I've been so impressed with how hard you've been working. You are all superstars and you should be very proud of, very proud of yourselves. So, that's the end of today's video. If you would like to go away and practice these numbers again and rewatch the video and pause it in certain places so you can practice them, that would be brilliant. If you want a special challenge today, my challenge is see if you can write 5 number 5s, 6 number 6s, 7 number 7s, 8 number 8s, and 9 number 9s. And if you can do that, I will be so amazed and I'd love to see it. So, look after yourselves, take care, and I cannot wait to see you all so soon. Take care, bye.